Imagine buildings that cool like termite mounds. Picture structures that filter air like human lungs. This is the world of biomimicry in architecture. Biomimicry is learning from nature. Architects analyze how nature's designs solve problems. They adapt these solutions to create sustainable buildings. Let's explore some key case studies. Our first example is the Eastgate Centre in Zimbabwe. It uses natural ventilation, mimicking termite mounds. These mounds maintain temperature effectively. This design reduces energy usage significantly. Next, we have the Eden project in the UK. Its geodesic domes resemble natural ecosystems. They create a stable climate for diverse plants. This design lowers energy needs and enhances biodiversity. Understanding biomimicry involves three principles: form, function, and material efficiency. Form refers to the shapes that nature produces. Function relates to how these shapes perform. Material efficiency highlights using resources wisely. One fascinating aspect is how nature inherently conserves energy. For example, the lotus leaf self-cleans. Architects mimic this technology to create dirt-repellent surfaces. Buildings stay cleaner, reducing maintenance costs. Now, let's discuss future trends in sustainable design. As climate change worsens, biomimetic architecture is gaining traction. Innovations may include buildings that produce energy or recycle waste naturally. This shift aims for a harmonious balance with the environment. In summary, biomimicry reshapes architecture through nature's wisdom. Case studies like Eastgate Centre and Eden Project inspire sustainable practices. The principles of form, function, and efficiency drive innovation. Are you ready to see how nature inspires better buildings? Explore more about biomimicry today. Subscribe for insights on sustainable architecture.